So this is it. This is how it came in. When it came in like I'm like, what's this? In this junior nylon, and this is what the tripod stand looks like. It might look so small, guys, but let's just unbox it together. My tripod stand got broken. Since I started YouTube, my ring light has been the one serving as a tripod stand, but it got broken last week together with the code I had, so I could not just put out any content. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. It's your girl Dara Jade, and that's on period. So guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing a mini tripod stand I got. So I'm currently shooting this video without a tripod stand just because I want to show you guys the tripod stand I got. And trust me guys, this stand can serve as many purposes. I actually just got this tripod stand because guys, look at this. Is what I've been using as my tripod stand. Now my ring light used to be here. It has been serving as my tripod stand for a very long time. Guys, can you guys see? It got broken and I was shattered. I was like, oh my god, I will now have to get another tripod stand. So this week, yesterday I ordered for a tripod stand and it came in today, and I'm about to show you guys what the tripod stand is like. Guys, this tripod stand is everything and more. I came across an Instagram page here where I saw that you could get a normal phone holder and you could just attach it to your stand here. So I'm currently shooting without a tripod stand. I don't know if this video is coming out, but anyhow, you guys would manage it like that. So you can actually just attach the phone holder here and to serve as a tripod, and I'm like, oh wow, that's nice. But I forgot to take a screenshot of the person's page, so what I did was to go on Jumia to search for a phone holder. Then I came across so many phone holders and the prices were like very fair enough, like very cheap. So I was going through scrolling and just doing my research, and I came across a tripod stand. It is a tripod stand and also has a phone holder. Like it comes with a phone holder too, and phone holder is detachable. I'm like, okay, why don't I kill two birds with one stone? So that was why I now ordered for a tripod stand, and it also came with that phone holder. I'm so happy because this tripod stand will just save me a whole lot. Now let me just show you guys what the tripod stand is like. So this is it. This is how it came in. When it came in like this, I'm like, what's this? But I'm like, it's not like I paid a lot. So what was I expecting? Was I expecting a box? But it came in this junior nylon, and this is what the tripod stand looks like. It might look so small guys, but let's just unbox it together. It came with this phone holder. This is the main reason why I got this tripod stand. Actually, I just needed this phone holder. So you can actually get a phone holder separately. You don't need to get a tripod stand. If you already have this stand that comes with a ring light, you just have to just get a phone holder. I know so many people don't know, because I also wasn't aware that you could get a phone holder just like that. So you can just attach it, you can just screw it here, and your phone holder is ready. Like your tripod stand is literally ready, guys. And I got this for 3,899 naira or 90 naira. So let's just say 4,000 naira. Delivery fee was like 620 naira. So if you do the math, everything is just like 4,000 plus. So this is the tripod stand. Now guys, this tripod stand, it can serve as a tripod stand. It can also serve as a selfie stick. Like if you're a vlogger, like I've never actually gotten a tripod stand that I use in vlogging. I'm always using my bare hands, and you can imagine how stressful it is. Now I'm going to screw this out, and I'm just going to, this is the phone holder, I'm just going to screw it to this place. Gosh, I love this thing a lot. And this is it. Okay, so once it like it can be adjusted. This is it. Just have to do like this and adjust it. Still trying to, yes. So you can adjust it like this, and you can just attach your phone there. So this can also be adjusted, and voila, guys, like I have a selfie stick like this. When I'm vlogging, I don't need to use my hand and my phone like this. You know how stressful that is. Now I can just do like this, and okay, I think I didn't screw this thing well sharp, but you guys get it just you guys get it just okay. And I can just vlog like this, guys. And that's not the only thing. Now it can also serve as a tripod stand. Like it can literally stand. It can literally stand. What do I mean? Okay, I think I need to, this thing is loose somehow. Need to tighten it. Okay. Okay, it's tightened now. Then it can also serve as a tripod stand. Now look at it, guys. Like you can stand it on your table or anywhere you want to. Let's say if you're someone that vlogs about making food or anything, you can just put it on your tabletop or on your tiles and just vlog. And you can just adjust this thing like this, just bring it down a little, and you can just put your phone here or anyhow you want to put your phone. Let's say you want to use your back camera, and voila, once it stands, it's just going to be like this and you're vlogging everything. I so much love this tripod stand. I'm going to give a tripod stand a 10 over 10 minus nothing. Like, I just love the fact that I can use it to vlog. I can also remove the phone holder and attach it to this my longer stand and just use it to vlog at home. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Is it worth the price? To me, I think it is worth more than the price. Like, I'd literally go for this over and over again. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.